Hey everyone, my name is Darren. I'm the owner and operator of Tactical Combat Tools. We're a veteran-owned business and all of us are currently active duty Special Forces soldiers. What I'd like to show you today is our everyday carry called the Seeing. What we have here is a 8.4 inch knife. It is made from D2 tool steel. The thickness on it is 0.187 or 3/16. For handle, we use black textured G10 material. It's a full tang knife held in with 832 screws. The finish is bead blast. We hand grind each one. This one is a 10-inch hollow ground with an incorporated swedge in the front. We hand file thumb grooves, and there's a 1-inch radius for your finger, which creates for a perfect feel, grip, and balance. And we also incorporate a mini guard to protect your knuckles from either another knife, branch, or whatever you may be cutting. Again, it's an 8.4 everyday carry called the Seeing, S-I-I-N-G. Thanks for looking.